How'd you like to make a perfect chicken fettuccine Alfredo better than any of those chain restaurants? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. I have some really nice chicken breasts. Trim off any excess fat and cut them into 4 portions. Season them up with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 205 Celsius. Get some olive oil into a saute pan over medium heat and get that chicken in there. Make sure your pan can go in the oven. Brown them up for about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Transfer the pan into your preheated oven to finish cooking about 10 more minutes. Take them out, set them aside, and keep warm. Next up, we're going to cook our pasta. We're using a 1-pound box of fettuccine noodles, but you could use linguine or any other kind of long, strandy pasta you might have on hand. If you like the idea of learning how to cook at home better than a restaurant, click that like button for me. YouTube will offer this video to more people, you'll help grow my channel, and we can all eat more pasta. Thank you. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Toss in some salt and get those noodles in there. Cook according to the package directions. As always, I'll link to the full recipe down below. We can make our Alfredo sauce while the pasta cooks. It'll come together pretty quickly. Grate up some real Parmesan cheese. This isn't the time to use the stuff in the canister. Pour some heavy cream into a large saute pan and turn up the heat. As the cream comes to a simmer, add in some unsalted butter. Make sure the butter is completely melted and stir to combine. Let this simmer for just a couple minutes until it starts to thicken. Toss in your grated parm and stir until melted and creamy. You can season if you like with some garlic powder, but I wouldn't add any salt. The Parmesan cheese will give it quite a salty flavor. Drain those noodles and get them right in here with the sauce. Stir it all up until it's nice and coated. You could definitely chop the cooked chicken up and stir it right in, or if you're making a YouTube video, keep it separate and add it to the top so your thumbnail picture looks cool. It's time to eat. Garnish with some more cheese and optionally some parsley. Get that fork and twirl away. I guarantee this is better than any chain restaurant. If you'd like another great family pasta recipe, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.